In this tutorial, we will learn that how you can download Age of Empires 2 in just few easy steps. So let's dive in. So there are two methods. So let's start with method 1. Open Google and search for Steam. Open this first link, welcome to Steam. In Steam, you have to sign in first. If you don't have account, you can create one. After sign in, you can simply search here Age of Empire. Here it is. Click on that. So this is Age of Empires 4th edition. If you scroll down, you will see here Age of Empire games with their prices. You can simply purchase from that. And the second method to download Age of Empires, click on search and search here Store. Open this Microsoft Store and then simply search here Age of Empire. Here you can see all versions. Like if I open this 4th version, you can see pricing here $26. You can also play with Game Pass. If I click on that, and you will get this window that join PC Game Pass for only $1. Click on that. Then you just need to sign in and you will get this Age of Empire in just few seconds. If you click back, you can also buy it with 33% off. Click on that. So that's how you can download Age of Empires 2 in just few easy steps. This may be the last time you watching this channel, so please make sure to subscribe for more tutorials in future.